from falling on the ground.
We're all going to take a walk across. It's a very memorable experience.
It's pretty damn memorable, right? You're gonna remember this, right?
You are one of 3 universities in the country that has a NEOM program.
Yeah, Italian style.
You're going to learn how to bend and manipulate the glass. For lack of a better word, we're going to make really cool light bulbs. It's heating up that glass just like you heat up a hot dog at a gas station on those little roller things. Do you see how it's starting to turn orange? I think if you're comfortable, you can take it out and make your little roller coaster loop if you want. That's the loop-to-loop. That's a scientific technical term.